Today I'm glad to present you the new Pear and Chocolate Panettone. We have done a fantastic research to get the Williams pear from Italy with a fantastic flavor on the mouth. And in the other side, we have the mono-origin chocolate selected from South America that is giving you the contrast that will have to your palate fantastic sensations. The Pear Chocolate Panettone is available in 3 different packaging. The Frutta in Fiori, that is half a kilo, 1 kilo size, or the Gold, that is 750 grams, or for a fantastic gift, you can have the tin in 750 grams. The tin this year is the 17th edition. Please do enjoy this fantastic product that will give you unique gourmet sensations.